Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. Last time we left things off with the blog server, we had our posting editor working. What we want to do today is add the ability to reuse that posting editor to edit existing posts in addition to adding new posts. So we added this post. What I'm going to do today is add the ability to go ahead and edit any of these existing posts. So I've come in here through blog view and you see that we've got everything working pretty much the same way you expect. What we're going to do is we're going to change things in the list view. The list view is where we list the posts, and what we want is if we've come in through the login screen, we want to add an edit option to each of those posts so that there's a little link allowing us to go through and edit. So what we're going to do is change the way render post works. We'll go in there and look at that, and we'll add this little line to the middle of it, self session current user if not nil, meaning if there is a current user, we came in through the login screen, we're going to render an edit link on the HTML for that post, and then just put a break so that we have it format semi-nicely. And again, you can add CSS to these things. Notice I've got the class up there, so somebody could actually come back and make this look nice. Let's go to Edit Link, and what we're going to do here is put an anchor with a callback, open editor on, and with the string edit. And that works exactly like the other links we put up before in the menu view. Now let's go over here and look at open editor on. And again, we're going to use this familiar show on answer pattern instead of call because we're in VA. And this show on answer pattern works in any Smalltalk, so you don't need to limit this to VA. You could have the same code port to VisualWorks or Pharo or any other Smalltalk that supports Seaside. So we're going to create our new editor. We're going to hand it the existing post because normally it creates a new post for you to fill in. We're going to hand it the existing one, and the way it's already rendering, it should fill in the fields for us. Then we're going to do a show with the editor, and on the answer, if true, we're going to tell the storage to default, storage default, so that's our singleton, to update the post. Now the update post, if we go up here to the storage object, we'll find that this guy's update is kind of a no-op because we're keeping everything in memory, so it doesn't really do anything. This is kind of a placeholder for a real method. If you were storing to file or storing to database, you would do something real here. We're not doing anything useful, so we're just going to leave it be as a placeholder for what a real app would do. Now we'll go here and log in and see if everything works the way we expect it. So assuming I can start typing, we'll go down to blog login, and we'll log in again, Fred Flintstone. And now once we've logged in, you notice that for each of these posts we have an edit link, and that's because we came in through the login screen. So we have edit for this one, edit for this one. So we'll hit this guy here, and let's just say, well, we're less excited. We'll take that exclamation mark off, and we'll hit save. And notice now it says this is new, no exclamation mark. So we're able to edit our posts using the same editor we wrote last time for adding new posts. So we can not only add new posts, but we can edit any existing one and go straight over here. And now if I hit cancel, you notice we bail right back out, and it just brings us back to the blog server view page just as we would expect it to. So that's about it for today. Till next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.